Hey fashion designer, fashion entrepreneur, you are overwhelmed with the work to be done. All those contents to create. Who will write newsletters? And you need to write them once a week? No way. Where and how? Well, now you have ChatGPT. Wait, not only that, you have AE, all those apps that help you to create better business, raise your efficiency and make your business grow while you sleep. Do you want to learn more about how to become the most efficient and manage better your time and structure your business? Watch the video until the end. I will share the most efficient AE and the ChatGPT tips to launch your brand, find your ideal customer, create content, produce Instagram posts, and create even your website with AE. Let's dive in. So the world we live in is changing fast, and I get it. You feel overwhelmed, so many next technologies are out there, and the only thing that you want is to create. So let's look a little deeper at how AE can be your assistant and help you drive sales, manage your social media, and find answers to whatever business questions you have. What is AE in the first place? So basically it's a robot without a core body, just can think and talk to use through applications and ChatGPT. The most famous form of this intelligence at the moment is ChatGPT. It is a free tool where you can dialogue with an artificial intelligence, ask your questions and get very thoughtful responses. AE nurtures from what people ask at Google, blogs, articles, social media posts and interactions, plus a global knowledge on different subjects to offer you a complete answer. It tries to imitate emotions by putting words to express human emotions. So basically it feels as if you were talking to a person, not a robot. So what exactly can you do with this and how you use it in your advantage in your fashion business? First of all, you can do a benchmark with your competitors. Identify where your audience is and how you can build a similar brand with different communication, different approach, and better wording on your website. But you literally want to capture customers from your existing competitors. So you need to go to ChatGPT and write something like this. My brand is a clothing online brand for a nomad traveling young person. She doesn't have family attachment and likes easy to wear, transformable clothes. She likes yoga and discovers her life on a spiritual path. Who are the other brands in my space? So now you know that you have 7 main competitors who have your audience, such as Free People, a brand that offers bohemian-inspired clothing, accessories and footwear for women who embrace a free-spirited lifestyle. Athleta, a brand that provides athletic and versatile clothing for women, including yoga wear, swimwear and performance apparel. Nomad Tribe, a brand that offers eco-friendly and sustainable clothing for women who are in the move. Prana, a brand that creates sustainable and stylish clothing for attractive women who practice yoga and meditation. And then Lucy Activewear, a brand that offers comfortable and stylish workout clothes for women who are always on the go. And Toad & Co, a brand that provides versatile and sustainable clothing for women who embrace minimalist lifestyle and love to travel. And then Niyama Soul, a brand that creates yoga wear for women who value comfort, sustainability and style. This is amazing. You don't need to spend days on the search and find them. I've got an answer in 2 minutes. Then I can ask about their average prices and understand their monthly traffic on their website. So now I have Free People is a clothing brand that offers bohemian-inspired clothing, accessories and footwear for women. The brand offers a wide range of products and prices vary depending on the item. On average, Free People's clothing ranges from $50 to $300, with some product priced higher. For example, dresses may range from $50 to $400, while tops may range from $30 to $300. It's worth nothing that Free People also has a sales section on their website where you can find products at a discounted price. Additionally, the brand offers free shipping on orders over a certain amount, which can also impact the overall cost of the product. So you see now how to position yourself, how to make a product for an accessible price at $30 to be competitive with your main competitor. So you can't have it wrong now. If you still have doubts, we can repeat the same exercise and ask prices for another competitor and see what they have to offer. we see that Nomad Tribe has slightly higher prices. For instance, here's what ChatGPT says. Nomad Tribe is a sustainable fashion brand that offers eco-friendly and ethical clothing for women who are on the move. The prices are higher than average due to the quality of materials and the sustainable practices that they use in their production process. On average, the prices of Nomad Tribe's products range between $8 to $300, with some products priced higher. For example, their dresses range from $130 to $300, while their tops from $80 to $200. It was nothing that Nomad Tribe places emphasis on sustainability and ethical practices, which can often result in a higher price point for their products. However, this also means that their products are made with high quality materials that are better for the environment, and they are often made by artisans who are paid fair wages. So now that you know the prices of your main competitors and you have a clear idea of how to price your products, you want to understand what their monthly traffic looks like. This is what ChatGPT replies to me. As an IE language model, I don't have access to real-time data on internal analytics of Free People's website traffic. However, according to SimilarWeb, a website traffic analysis tool, Free People's website receives an estimated 4.4 million monthly visits in the United States alone as of September 2021. It's wrong noting that the number can vary and is subject to change depending on various factors such as seasonality, promotional activity, and current events. Keep in mind that website traffic is just one metric to consider when analyzing the performance of an e-commerce website. Other metrics such as conversion rate, bounce rate, and average session duration are equally important in understanding the website's overall performance and identifying areas for improvement. Okay, I see they have much more traffic than me, and I would say around 150K per month of visitors. Now I can ask about their competitive advantage, their message, and how they communicate it on their social media. The answer I get is the following. Free People's main message to their clients is to offer a bohemian-inspired lifestyle that's free-spirited, romantic, and adventurous. The brand focuses on creating clothing that is both comfortable and stylish, allowing women to express themselves and feel confident in their own skin. On Instagram, Free People communicates this message through their content, which is often showcases their clothing in a natural, free-spirited way. They use bright, airy, and dreamy visuals that create a mood of romance and adventure. Their Instagram account is filled with images of women wearing their clothes in natural landscapes such as deserts, beach, and mountains, which aligns with the brand's message of adventure and exploration. Additionally, Free People's Instagram account also features user-generated contents, which showcases their customers wearing their clothing in their own unique way, highlighting the brand's message of self-expression and individuality. The brand also uses Instagram stories to promote new arrival sales and behind-the-scene content, creating a sense of exclusivity and excitement among their followers. Okay, this gives me a good idea how can I communicate now with my audience if I want to attract similar people. Now let's get to other essential elements of your online strategy, which is your ideal client. Who is she? How can I define her? So I will ask ChatGPT, who is my ideal client? This is the reply. Based on the information you provided earlier, your competition includes brands such as Free People, Urban Outfits, and Nomad Tribe. From this information, we can assume that your ideal client is likely a young, nomadic person who is interested in fashion, travel, and spirituality. To define your ideal client online, you could consider the following characteristics. Age. Your ideal client is likely in the age range of 18-35. Lifestyle. Your ideal client is something who enjoys traveling, exploring new places, and having new experiences. They may have a minimalist or bohemian lifestyle and prioritize comfort and versatility in their clothing choices. Then values. Your ideal client may place a high value on sustainability, ethical production practices, and mindfulness. They may also be interested in yoga, meditation, and other spiritual practices. online behavior. Your ideal client is likely active on social media platforms such as Instagram and Pinterest, where they can discover new fashion trends, travel destinations, and spiritual practices. They may also be interested in reading blogs or watching videos related to these topics. By understanding these characteristics, you can tailor your online marketing efforts to each your ideal client. For instance, you may want to focus on creating content that showcases your clothing in natural settings or promote sustainability and ethical production practices. You may also want to engage with your audience on social media platforms, share inspirational quotes or stories, and collaborate with influencers or bloggers who align with your brand values. This is huge. You have a clear idea of who is your target audience. Now, the next step would be to find them online and better target with your communication. So I will ask ChatGPT to make an Instagram post for me that talks to this kind of person. I create my post for them, not for me. So I ask, write a post for a nomad person who likes traveling. This is what ChatGPT replies. Caption: wherever you go, make sure you dress for the adventure. Our clothes are made for the free-spirited adventurous nomads who love exploring the world. Whether you are trekking through the mountains or practicing yoga on the beach, your transformable clothes will keep you comfortable and stylish. Plus, all of your products are made with sustainable materials and ethical production practices, so you can feel good about the clothes you wear. Join us on our journey and discover your own path with brand name. So you can use hashtags nomad fashion, sustainable style, and free spirit. As a visual, an image of a young woman wearing one of your brand's transformable outfits, standing on a mountaintop or on a sandy beach with backpack or other travel gear nearby. The image should have a warm, natural, and dreamy quality that evokes a sense of adventure and exploration. This post speaks directly to your ideal clients' interests in travel, sustainability, and comfortable yet stylish clothing. It also highlights the key benefits of your brand, such as the transformable nature of your clothing and ethical production practices, which may apply to their values. Finally, the hashtags used in the post help to connect your brand with the broader community of free-spirited, eco-conscious nomads who are your target audience interests. So you see what we have done here? We have built a post for Instagram account in 1 minute. Now you can just imagine all this time you save of making a content. And now this time you can use for creating your clothes and making your clothes. In the same way, you can ask ChatGPT to make your product page and describe a product that you're working on. It gives a detailed description with all the tabs that you need to think of. Just watch this. Product title: Wanderer's print dress. Product description: channel your inner wanderlust with your beautiful Wanderlust print dress. Perfect for free-spirited nomad travelers, this dress features a unique Bohemian-inspired print that will transport you to exotic lands. The short skirt with buttons and zip adds a touch of vintage flair, while the adjustable waist allows you to customize the fit to your body. Made from a lightweight, breathable fabrics, this dress is perfect for warm weather adventures, whether you are exploring new cities, lounging on the beach, or practicing yoga in the mountains. This dress will keep you comfortable and stylish. This is perfect. And then I have product features, product images, size, fit information, care information, shipping and returns. Like here, you saved literally a ton of time and you don't need any more to hire someone to make those product pages. The most important part of online brand building process would be your SEO strategy. And we want to ask the ChatGPT the following: offer me 10 keywords for my website for a clothing brand. Sure, here are 10 keywords that your ideal client may be searching for on Google related to your nomad clothing brand. Sustainable fashion, bohemian clothing, travel clothing, yoga clothing, nomad fashion, easy to wear clothing, transformable clothing, vintage inspired clothing, adventure clothing, or ethical fashion. And of course, I cannot only use those keywords because I need long tail words to become specific and niche oriented. So here I will ask AI to add some key long tail words. And this is what it replies. Sure, here are some long tail keywords related to bohemian clothing that may be relevant for your brand. flowy bohemian dresses, vintage bohemian fashion, bohemian maxi dresses, bohemian chic clothing, bohemian style clothing for women, affordable bohemian clothing for summer, handmade bohemian clothing, sustainable bohemian clothing, plus size bohemian clothing. These long tail keywords can help you target specific niche markets and attract customers who are looking for specific types of bohemian clothing. Incorporate these keywords into your website copy and product description to help improve your search engine rankings and reach new customers. This is amazing. It is if you have a marketer in your business for free. Now, the last thing that I will ask ChatGPT, how do I find UGC content creators? By the way, if you don't know what is UGC, a user-generated content, watch my next video where I talk about social media strategy for fashion brands, and I put the link below into the description box. It will be the next video after this one. But if you know how UGC works, it can change your life, improve your Facebook ads, and vary your content. So here is what GPT tells me. Sure, here are some steps to find UGC content creators for your nomad travelers clothing brand. Define your ideal customer. Start with defining your ideal customer persona. This will help you to identify the type of content that your customers are likely to create and share. Research relevant hashtags. Use Instagram search feature to find relevant hashtags that your customer are likely to use. For example, you can search for hashtags such as nomad lifestyle, travel fashion, yoga clothes, or bohemian fashion. Look for top posts. Look for posts that have a lot of engagement, including likes, comments, and shares. These posts are likely to be created by influencers or content creators who have significant following and are able to create high quality content. Reach out to content creators. Once you have identified potential content creator, reach out to them via DM or email to ask if they are interested in collaborating. Be sure to provide details on what type of content you want them to produce, what type of content you are looking for, and how you plan to compensate them. Create UGC campaign. Consider creating a UGC campaign where you encourage your customers to create and share content featuring your products. You can offer incentives such as discounts, free products, or the chance to be featured on your social media channel. Monitor and share UGC. Monitor social media platforms for UGC featuring your brand and products. Share the content on your social media channel and give credit to the content creator. This will help to build relationships with the content creator and encourage others to create and share content. Wow, yep, guys. This is how you can build your brand thanks to ChatGPT. Well, not everything can be implemented just as ChatGPT says, but you still can take some of those stuff and use it. Ask whatever questions you have in your mind and you will find answers. Then for sure you need a human touch in your progress, and it is better to be part of a community where other people do the same stuff as you do. Think of our new fashion school group where you can have tons of those practical tips and challenges to help you move forward in your entrepreneurial fashion journey. So you can ask for a membership just now, it's free. Just click on the link below and you will join the group. And if you want to learn more about your social strategy and UGC in my next video, I just invite you to watch my next video. See you there.